It's me again. I am gonna hit you with a sound effects tutorial how to do the water drop noise, which is anyway. I just did it a few times again just in case you didn't hear it the first time. So what you do is put your lips in an O shape, like if you was about to whistle but you don't really whistle, you suck air in. And with your tongue, you use your tongue to do something with the air, like, I don't know how to explain it. So, and you just flick your cheek, you can flick your head, flick under your chin. Yeah, so, peace out. I hope this tutorial has helped. Comment, rate, subscribe, and yeah, leave a few comments in the comment section below. Peace out.